For many children, the Urdd plays an important part of our extracurricular activities for learning poems, songs and yn Cymraeg. So instead of just going to Eisteddfod, these events now they can actually help to use them outside the classroom. Events like this where the community, and especially the Welsh speaking community coming into our English language school, has huge benefits for the children. Many children in the school are involved with the Urdd and they do learn a lot of Welsh, but this is going to give them real life instances of what the importance of Welsh is, and actually to be able to communicate with the people within the community and to give them the understanding that there are people within Treuddyn that actually use Welsh, and they might be able to use that if they see them in the streets, and that it is a part of some people's everyday life. These sort of events help the school to become a central part of the community, and building those links is invaluable to us. The Eisteddfods that the children take part in are sometimes separate and the children don't realise what the connection is, but events like today will give it real meaning to them and bring it into the real world and from the classroom out into the community.
So in the 1930s, when I was involved, it was really in its infancy, wasn't it? There was no going to Llanllyn. Nothing like that. It was local Eisteddfodau, and then you went to the district, much as you do today, and then to the national.
What activities did you do in the end, like poems, dances?
Yeah, we did dancing. And you're going to laugh now when I tell you this. We did PE as well, right? And we went through the first Eisteddfod, and if you win in that one, then you go to the next one, don't you? And then if you win in that one, you go to the national Eisteddfod. And we won with the dancing, and we won with, there were 12 of us in a group doing PE.
Singing, I sang on my own, I recited, I did, well see in those days in the Urdd, you didn't have cool things like street dance, which you do now, don't you? It's only just swimming. We couldn't do swimming for the Urdd. It was just things on the stage as far as I remember, or I think you probably could do art, although I didn't do that. So basically singing, reciting and folk dancing.
What did you do in your spare time?
When I was a child?
Yeah.
Well, most of the things we did were all around the chapel and the school, but mostly in the chapel. We would go to chapel 3 times every Sunday, and sometimes 4 times if there was a singing lesson. And then we would go to the Band of Hope and reading sessions, because that's where we learned to read Welsh and where we learned to sing and recite. We didn't used to dance or anything like that, just plain singing, plain reciting and learning verses, lots and lots of verses.